Okay, so we're going to look at differentiation from first principles, and we know that for a function, if we differentiate that f dashed of x, what we do is we take the limit as h, this small value, h tends to 0, and we do it on the function of x plus this small amount. Then we subtract the function applied to just x. So this is basically the change in the kind of y coordinate, the difference between those two things, and we divide by the change in the kind of x, which is this small amount here. So we set this up every single time when we're doing first principles differentiation. So let's define our fx. So our function is x squared. So we're going to find the derivative of this. Spoiler alert, it is 2x. So to find f dashed of x, we'll have to take the limit as h tends towards 0 of, well, let's apply this function, but with x plus h in. So it's going to be x plus h squared, subtract, and then we just substitute x in, x squared, all divided by h. Okay, so next up we do some expanding and some tidying up. I'm going to write h tends towards, the limit is h tends towards 0 every single time here, not being lazy about it. So I expand this bracket out, so I'm going to get x squared plus 2 hx plus h squared, subtract x squared, all divided by h. Okay, we do some tidying up here. Now these are going to cancel out, so we're going to get an x squared, take away x squared, so that's going to cancel out. And also what I'm going to do is I'm going to factorize h out of this top bit. So I'm going to write the limit as h tends towards 0 again, and I'm going to factorize this, so it's going to be h outside the bracket, 2x inside plus h, all divided by h. Now these h's cancel out, and we're just left with this end statement here, which is the limit as h tends towards 0 of 2x plus h. Now, since h is tending towards 0, this is tending towards 0. So what's happening is we can say that f dashed of x is equal to 2x, since h is tending towards 0 anyway. Okay, so we've differentiated x squared from first principles and showed that actually it differentiates to 2x.